So we're just almost at the top of this gully now, and Si's just gone up to just do the final bit to wreck it out. Obviously, got to be double careful today with the dog with us. But that was none too shabby. That a bit demanding. Obviously, with my four little friend, but he's got a harness so you can lift him, so it makes it easier. Rather than lifting him up the way. But wow, what a spot! And apart from some walkers down there before, we haven't seen anyone all day, but this is great, isn't it? What a great little gully, immersed in the mountains and away from everyone. It's just fabulous. So let's route this out on the way to